The following message is transmitted by order of the Governor of the State of Wisconsin. We have received many reports about a blackout occurring throughout the following counties areas: Milwaukee County, Waukesha County, Ozaukee County, Washington County, Racine County, Walworth County, Kenosha County. This blackout was caused by the same group responsible for the restaurant and home incidents. The blackout was caused by the group cutting the wires and causing it. It is unknown why the blackout has occurred. Telephone lines are also not working at this time. It has been confirmed that the group responsible for these restaurant and home attacks are now heading for the US Bank building in Milwaukee. It is currently unknown what this group will do next. Please stand by for a message from an unknown sender. All residents are advised to have a battery-powered radio with extra batteries, and a weapon if you have one in case of an intrusion. Lock all doors and windows. Do not answer your door for anyone. Please stay tuned for more updates and information as it becomes available. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable stations shall transmit this message. This is Channel 5, and we will continue to serve the Milwaukee area. If you are not in this area, please tune to a station covering news for your area. The emergency alert system has been activated.